I have 50 subscribers, you guys. 50 of you guys. 50 of you guys like me. I mean, like, I can just cry, man. There's 50 people out there that like me. Man, I must be doing something right, man. I was like, they're subscribing to me. Somebody out there want to watch my YouTube channel. I told my husband, I said, boo, I'm making a YouTube channel. He was like, you gonna get on YouTube? You know you gotta talk to people, right? You know they gonna see your face, right? You know the kids be loud sometime, right? You know you gotta have stuff to talk about, right? I'm like, boo, I'm gonna make this channel, okay? I will find something to talk about. I've been saying since about 2012, 2011, 2015, 13, 18, 17, 16. That I was gonna make a YouTube channel. Bruh, I don't know what made me finally do it. I don't know. Oh, I know. Somebody real dear and near to me started their channel, and I was like, man, I've been saying I want to do it for a long time. They pushed me. Get yourself out there. I was like, you just pushed me that hard? Why you push me like that for? You have to do all that? Man, my shoulder hurt. Gosh, dog, just push the daylights out of me, don't you? Gosh. But anyway, yeah, they gave me a push, and they told me, Bree, you got this. You will find stuff to talk about. Because every time you around me, you yapping, girl. You be talking, girl. So just get on YouTube and talk. And I was like, man, I have a nice camera, man. My camera like that I had was a Canon 80D. I was like, my camera's broken. I'm like, when am I gonna get your phone out, girl? Your phone got a camera on it. You got a smartphone, use that camera. And I'm like, okay. I'll get my phone out, I'll get it, okay? And then I was like, but my house ain't got a light. Girl, if you don't get some dang light bulbs, go on Amazon, get you a ring light, go get something. Make some light, get you a candle, get in front of a window. Just do it. Doggone it, do it. I was like, okay, yes, Drill Sergeant. Okay, I'ma do it. So anybody that's out there that's wanting to start a YouTube channel, do it. Just do it. You don't need approval unless you're a kid. You know, maybe you might need approval. Let me eat that sentence back. You might need approval. You might need to let your spouse know. You might need to let people know, because depending on the content that you want to put out there, it may need some approval from somebody. I don't know. Who am I to tell you all that? But I'm just going to tell you that if you want to start a channel, just do it, you know? I was so nervous about starting my channel because even though like I'm very social around the people that's close to me, I'm shy around people that I don't know. And you guys probably can see that in my videos. Sometimes like, even though like I'm crunk and energetic, sometimes I'm just like, yeah, I can see somebody looking at me. You know, it kind of projects in my videos. So I'm working on it. I'm working on getting more comfortable in front of the camera. I'm working on trying to figure out where I'm supposed to look at on the camera, because I still haven't figured it out. That's why you see my eyes over here, and then sometimes I'm over there, and then sometimes I stare at the little blinking dot over there that's saying that's recording. Now I've been yapping for 12 minutes and 36 seconds, something like that. I don't know where to look. But you guys just bear with me. Still hit the subscribe button, because you know it's fun and funny to watch people try to figure out where they're supposed to be looking at. You be like, do they need glasses? Do they know that they're supposed to be looking right here? That's a little dot right here. What are they looking at? You know what's funny? It's fun to watch people do that. Like, you know, I'm doing it the whole video. So if you're not enjoying what you're listening to, enjoy looking at me trying to figure out where I'm supposed to look at, okay? Yeah. Anyway, since I'm looking all crazy, I meant to put my glasses on, you guys. There we go. I feel like my glasses hide the fact that I don't know where to look at. Do they? If they hide the fact that I don't know where I need to be looking at, comment down below and let me know, because I'll keep them on for every video if that's the case. So anyway, if you're having a hard time starting your channel because everybody around you is being a hater and doubting you and trying to talk you out of it, do it anyway. Because I'm telling you, people will do that about all different kinds of things. It's mainly because they feel uncomfortable about what it is that you're trying to do. Like when I first decided to join the Army, everybody was like, girl, you're going to the Army? You, little tiny you know you gotta carry a weapon, right? You know you gotta carry a rucksack, right? You know this gonna be hard, right? You know you gotta work out, you know you gotta run, you know you're gonna be sweating. in shape, you know people gonna be yelling at you, right? You know you're gonna be around a bunch of strangers, right? You know you might have to get your toilet right. I mean, everybody was coming at me to the left, to the right. It was just like everywhere. It was everywhere. All of that chatter. Like, they literally almost taught me out of doing it, you guys. But I didn't listen. I just kept headstrong with what I wanted to do. I had a goal for myself. And that was something I wanted to do for myself. So I went out and I did it, you guys. And that's the same thing that you need to do with this channel. Don't let nobody talk you out of your dreams and goals. Because at the end of the day, they're not going to be there. They're not going to be there. Like, you're going to have to experience your life for yourself. You're going to have to do for you what it is that you want to do. They're not going to be there to support you. They're not going to carry the weight of your bills and your finances and all that unless they're your immediate family member, like your husband or wife, okay? They're going to be there, okay? Don't think those people are not going to be there just because they're trying to talk you out of something. That's like a whole different ballgame right there. We're not going to get into that. What I'm getting into is like close friends, cousins, best friends, all that. Those kind of people. If they're trying to talk you out of something that you know that's going to better yourself, then you need to just focus on what it is that you're trying to do and maybe not tell them all your plans. Just go ahead and go do them, okay? But I'm telling you guys, the same people that was trying to talk you out of your dreams and goals, once you accomplish that dream and goal, like when I joined the Army and I came back MOSQ'd, assigned to my unit, and they saw me in my ACUs, they were like, oh my gosh, girl, you in the military? You did it, congratulations. And I'm sitting there confused, like, wouldn't like right when I decided to join, you was trying to talk me out of it, saying that I shouldn't do it. Now here you are congratulating me and telling me I'm doing a great job. So if it's something that you want to do and it's not harmful and it's going to better you, better your career, go for it. You don't need approval. In most cases, you don't need approval. Now, if you're underage and you're a child, or maybe your family own a business and it's not in the business interest, maybe there's certain scenarios where this advice is not good. But for most people, you should be able to follow suit with whatever it is that you're pursuing, as long as it's ethical and it's safe and it's going to better yourself and better your future, okay? So yeah, apply that to your YouTube channel. If you want to start a channel and you know that your channel is going to be ethical and it's going to better yourself and better your life goals, then go ahead and do it, you know? Go ahead and do it. Another example of when I had this happen with no support and people talking bad was when I decided to lock my hair. I locked my hair a little over 4 years ago, and when I told my family and friends what I was going to do to my hair, they were like, you gonna do what? That's not gonna look nice on you. Why are you doing that? Don't nobody wear that. Girl, you look good with your hair how it is. Girl, why don't you just keep wearing those wigs and all that you're doing? You know if you don't like them, you're gonna have to shave your head, right? You know ain't nobody wearing that. You know that's kind of weird looking. I mean, there was, y'all, that was there. That was there. That's just another example of people not supporting you. But as my hair grew, they were like, oh my gosh, your hair is growing so long. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, can I touch your hair? Can I touch your hair? It looks so cool. How do you maintain it? Where did you get it done at? The same people that were telling me not to do it, that it wasn't fashionable, that blah, 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 are the same people that are locked today. They have locks now too. So sometimes you may have to just do something and then it starts a trend so happily. Ironically, the people that hates it loves it as soon as it's trending. And that's just how the world works, you guys. So in a nutshell, if it's ethical and it's going to better your life and it's going to make you mentally happy, start the YouTube channel, okay? And as soon as you start it, let me know in the comments. I'm going to come check you out, okay? Alright, I'm going to come check your content out. Trust and believe. And I will give you some proof, because I will be in your comments like, yes, I'm proud of you. I'm so glad that my video gave you that well-needed push. So glad. Thank you guys again for watching and subscribing to my channel. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. And if you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe down below and also ding the bell so you get notified when I release new videos. Thank you.